The Amazon rainforest's extreme weather events are impacting the Tibetan Plateau directly. This region, crucial for providing water security to millions, is on the verge of a critical point with potentially disastrous outcomes. Human-induced global warming from pollution is leading to rising temperatures worldwide, pushing vital ecosystems and entire regions towards irreversible changes. The effects are visible in the melting polar ice caps, potentially causing a rise in sea levels. In the Amazon River basin, where lush rainforests face the risk of transforming into savannas. The big question is, can a location's climate tipping point trigger a chain reaction in another area? Recent studies indicate that it's a possibility. A team of scientists from China, Europe, and Israel revealed in Nature Climate Change in early January 2023 that climate shifts in the Amazon River basin have a direct impact on the Tibetan Plateau, located 20,000 kilometers away. Co-author Jürgen Kuss from the Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research expressed surprise at the close connection between extreme weather events in the Amazon and Tibet. By analyzing 40 years of global temperature data, researchers mapped out the climate links from South America to South Africa, the Middle East, and finally the Tibetan Plateau. Through computer simulations, they predicted how global warming could affect these long-distance connections by the year 2100. The study uncovered that as temperatures rise in the Amazon, temperatures also increase in Tibet. However, an increase in rainfall in the South American rainforest leads to a decrease in snowfall in the Himalayas, often referred to as the third pole of the Earth. Hey guys, listen up. Scientists have been studying snow cover data, and guess what they discovered? They found out that the Tibetan Plateau has been getting really close to a critical point since 2008. And get this, the Tibetan Plateau provides water to about 2 billion people in South Asia, Southeast Asia, and China. That's a huge number of people. A study in Nature Climate Change last year mentioned that climate change could impact the groundwater storage in the Tibetan Plateau. And if that happens, it could affect the water supply for many people downstream. Other studies have shown that the region, similar to the Arctic, is warming up much faster than the rest of the world, like 2 to 3 times faster. That's pretty mind-blowing. Researchers are now saying that although there's a risk of things going wrong, they don't believe the entire climate system will go haywire. But still, tipping events could disrupt societies and the environment. That's definitely not a good thing, right? To prevent the situation from worsening, countries are working to prevent the temperature from rising more than 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Ideally, they aim to keep it below 1.5 degrees Celsius. To achieve this, we need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, especially from burning fossil fuels. The objective is to cut emissions by 45% by the end of the decade and achieve net zero emissions by 2050. Let's all play our part in protecting our planet, okay?